Okay, speaking of what if, kasi nabanggit ni Sir Noel Flores ng Enka, nabanggit niya na aside from Diana or Enka, na sana raw pala na pagsama-sama kayong apat as the ancient Cambaldiwas. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Ako kasi parang meron talaga akong pangarap para sa Encantadia na unfinished business na sana it became a movie. Like, one of my, yung tinatawag nila ngayong multo, yung bakit kami nag-guest sa isang pelikula. We didn't have our own movie. And in my vision of this movie, it would be in Batanes to feature the beauty of Batanes, or, you know, parang something ethereal like that, which we have in the Philippines. So, I would love if the universes do collide, that it be a movie. Does that make sense? I want to also protect the characters that we started, because ayoko na baka mapunta naman sila sa Devas. Diba?
Pero what can you say about the new soundtress?
What do you mean?
Yung mga bagong soundtress.
Yes, I get to work with Bianca a lot, so I'm really touched na every time we're together, may picture kaming nakaganyan. And we love to play around with people who are big Enka fans also on the set of Showtime. So I love that she's super into her role and she's just continuing on the legacy. And hello to all the Encantadics out there.
Pero Kate, nagkaroon pa rin ng possibility ba na maging na mapasama ka sa Sangre? Kasi si Diana,
I don't know the exact plan. Alam natin maraming nangyari dito sa version na ito, so, or kwento na ito. So I don't know really kung ano ba yung kwento na mangyayari.
May ancient Cambaldiwas kasi.
No, I think they've also appeared at the other one as well.
Pero so, for this one kasi parang ang original plan daw, bukod kay Diana na siya yung ngayon, ay kayong apat talaga yung per gem na ancient Cambaldiwas. So maganda sana yung idea. Ano yung masasabi mo doon?
Ako talaga, doon ako sa movie.
Doon sa movie?
I think it has to be its own, it deserves to have its own story, right? Like a proper story for all the people na talagang lumaki with Encantadia. And I meet them to this day, and I'm so touched na it was a big part of their childhood. Kinamulatan nila, yung mga ganyan, dami nilang mga kwento. So I want to take care of those characters also, kasi gusto ko na it's a very, very special and specific story na made for us, if that makes sense. It's like a film, like a beautiful film.
Sana, no? Sana talaga.
Yeah, parang I feel like, and okay, recently I watched Lord of the Rings, the musical. And when the elves, when they were singing, tapos merong harp, sabi ko, kaya pala mahal na mga tao si Alena, kasi I was always singing. And hindi ko naman na-gets na enchanting pala yun. Kaya sabi ko, kaya pala tinawag nila ako enchanting diva back then. So sabi ko, I'm today years old na nalaman ko na ang ganda pala makapanood ng kumakanta na may magical, mystical powers. So, I do wanna do something with the music that we created. We used to make those in the OB van back then. And to this day, when I sing it, like, yung mga spells, parang people are still so mesmerized. But now I understand why. Because of Lord of the Rings.
Sana rin, no? Enka musical? The musical?
Wag. Isa lang ang kumakanta. Ako lang eh. So parang kawawa naman yung iba. Anong gagawin nila? Baka si Imaw, parang nag-rap siya.
Okay.
Salamat.
Pero hindi po ba napag-usapan yun after the success ng 2005 na magkaroon ng pelikula? Because mula when the movie did the great job ng
I know, right? Thank you. Maybe you can produce. Or rally the people for one.
Hopefully.
Yeah, parang it needs, I don't know, for me, especially after doing this film, parang it needs a special project. It needs to be a special project. No?
Because you did Mystified na, di ba?
Correct, yeah. Pero, I mean, with all the other characters now and all the other universes, I'm sure there's a way to make the stories connect and meet, diba?
Pero dito sa Sangre po, wala pa namang in-talks or offers sa'yo na mag-guest? Wala pa.
Hindi ko alam. Abangan.
Promote na lang po ang Quezon. Invite na lang everyone to watch Quezon next week.
Maraming salamat. Thank you again for being here. Saan ba ka
Mas kasama.
Dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa pagdala niyo. iniimbitahan ko ang lahat na manood ng Quezon ngayon 15 ng Oktubre. Mapapanood dito in theaters nationwide. 250 pesos para sa students and teachers, and it is PG, so bring the whole family.